Hello there everyone, I'm Lydia from Altenew and I'm just popping in to let you know a little bit more about our artist marker refills. First of all, these little beauties can be used to fill your artist markers, but this is not all they can be used for. These are alcohol based, so they can be used as traditional alcohol inks to create stunning background effects, and also they dry on non-porous surfaces, so they can be used to colour embellishments such as our enamel dots, so you can create your own enamel dots to fit in with the colour of your project you're creating. They can also be used to colour embossing paste. Just a little drop of this will go a long, long way. There are so many different techniques that these can be used for, and we really do hope that this little video has given you a little bit more inspiration to use them in different ways. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!